touched the dog?
He touched the dog. I'm afraid of him, like, hurting the dog.
Yelling at him.
Yelling.
Ella. Ella.
Ella.
Ella.
Ah, yeah.
Do you have those jumpers?
Kisses.
Oh, that's right. I saw it.
Yeah.
So excited. He's squeezing his hands close. Like,
I know.
say, a dog.
It's so
A dog.
amazing to
A
see
dog.
him, like, figure it out. Yeah.
Yeah, dog.
Let her go for a second. I don't think she'll hurt him.
No, she won't, but she's still
Okay, let's